So Matt, what do you do if you want to sell your house but you got pets?
Clean the house. No, in all seriousness, that's absolutely no problem. I don't know what the statistic is, but we all have family pets, right? Whether it be cats or dogs.
57% of Americans.
Well, okay, you know this. The big thing is get rid of them on showings, right? And I don't mean it in a derogatory manner, but pack them up in the car, take them with you. Nothing is scarier than somebody who doesn't know your dog walking in and the dog is barking in the cage, right? It tends to scare the bejeebies out of all of us. So beyond that, clean the house. Make sure there's no pet odor. Spend the $100 to have Stanley Steamer come in. It's well worth it. But in general, we still sell it.
Cool.
All right. Until next time.